Latest on a transfer news sanibona bafethu uVandelo. I'm sure senizwile ngale indaba lezi but ke iagent kaSipho Mbule beno Rivaldo Jose abadlali abasuka kuMamelodi Sundowns isikhulumile yasho ukuthi uSipho Mbule isimofferishile kwiKaizer Chiefs yabo washo ukuthi it's up to the club to make that decision and we need to respect that decision yabo. Uyasho ukuthi as an agent he cannot force the player to join iKaizer Chiefs. It's up to the club. Yona iKaizer Chiefs ezoyithathela inqomo nayo umdlalo yena ozothatha isinqumo ukuthi uyajoina iKaizer Chiefs but ke iyona iKaizer Chiefs ezothatha isinqumo. Asazi ke noma iKaizer Chiefs ezomthatha uSipho Mbule. It's up to iKaizer Chiefs yabo. Ungangitshela ama comments, would you recommend uSipho Mbule to join iKaizer Chiefs or another club ekhona la kuBetway Premiership yabo? Even though nayo uSipho Mbule inenkinga zakhe but ke would he join a big club? Maybe joining a big club would change his ways. Yabo uzobona ukuthi okay, maybe ke sekumele ngishintshe indlela zokwenza la. I'm not saying Sundowns is not a big club. Sundowns is achieve okuningi yabo esingayibiza nge-big club ngakho yabo. So maybe if he can join a team like Orlando Pirates, a team like Kaizer Chiefs, maybe he may change his ways because mase abheke kwi-history yabadlali asebadlalela lama team uzobona ukuthi lama team lawa ase-achieve okukhulu kakhulu maybe nanga add value yabo ngetalent analo uSipho Mbule yabo. But ke it's up to the player, it's up to the teams ukuthi angamthatha yena umjida. Kwesinye izindaba sengareporta ngoPeter Shalulile. uPeter Shalulile might leave iMamelodi Sundowns before the 2025-2026 season yabo ngoba ama contract akhe neMamelodi Sundowns are on stall yabo. Uyena mdlali lo ongakanikezwa i-contract extension kule team nje yeMamelodi Sundowns. Uyena mdlali esingakamboni sizwa kuthiwa uyitholile naye i-contract extension. Basibabonile uMdawu, sibabonile uMorena, sibabonile uJory February yabo, sibabonile oMvala yabo bethola ama-contract extension but ke yena umjida akayitholi i-contract extension yakhe yabo. Asazi ke but ke uyena umjida utravelile neteam uhambile wayodlala le kwi-Club World Cup yabo. Bayodlala kwi-Club World Cup and ngibafisele okuhle but ke season yakhe engabe singayazi ayiqale kuMamelodi Sundowns. Asazi kakhona ama team angam-approach umjida. uSiphephelo Sithole umdlalo odlalela Bafana Bafana ilonyaka izophela neclub yasePortugal iGil Vicente yabo njengoba ezobuyela kwiparent club yakhe iCD Tondela yabo kule season ezoqala. Nakhona nje bezobuyela kule club nje icontract yakhe izophela ngo2026 ngoJune yabo. Izophela icontract yakhe neCD Tondela ngo2026 June. Asazi ukuthi yabo from now uzoya kuphi. I'm sure iCD Tondela umjida izozama ukumdayisa because umdlali lo ujwayele ukuhlushwa ama injury kakhulu yabo. iKaizer Chiefs ikhona kwi-picture vele, ikhona kwi-picture. I don't really know ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuyikhipha imali. Siyazi ke i-team njengeKaizer Chiefs ayijwayele ukuyikhipha imali but ke mekhona uNabi, I trust uNabi uzowenza i-decision right yabo regarding uSiphephelo Sithole. Kwezinye izindaba, the former Orlando Pirates winger uMahlathi Makudubela is set to leave the Congolese Giants AS Vita Club just 4 months after signing for the Kinshasa-based outfit in January yabo. Umdlali bafethu osezakhele udumo kakhulu kwi-Young Africans uhambile ojoyina iclub ngoJanuary. Le club lekuthiwa iAS Vita edume kakhulu kule Congo. USafa usuphendulile ku-VAR. USafa usuphendulile uthe i-VAR may be used in cup games kule season entsha elandelayo but not in Betway Premiership matches according to head i-refereeing department yeSafa uMr Abdul Ibrahim yabo. Useshilo ukuthi ama games azodlalwa kwi-Betway Premiership ngeke azayisebenzise i-VAR kodwa izosetshenziswa kuma cup games yabo. I-Betway Premiership ayikabi nayo imali eyanele ukuthi ixhase i-VAR but ke kuma cup games we may see the use of i-VAR. We are usually seeing i-VAR isetshenziswa la eSouth Africa right now as we speak. During nama-COSAFA games we are seeing i-VAR isetshenziswa ngempela. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona lokho yabo. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi ikhona i-progress. Kumele ngabe ade sayithola i-VAR but right now we are heading to the right direction as iSouth Africa yabo. But ke awongijabulisa ukuzwa ukuthi izosetshenziswa kuma cup games but ke yabo. Chippa United are reportedly close to securing ama-services of umdlali weCape Town Spurs i-midfielder uKhaya Mfecane. uKhaya Mfecane bafethu siyamazi i-contract yakhe izophela with iCape Town Spurs at the end of June. Njobe relegatiwe nje futhi iCape Town Spurs bangamthola lo mjida lo kalula kanjalo. Kwezinye izindaba I spoke about uSinethemba Bhatela lo befunwa iChippa United as to be head coach iChippa United. uSinethemba Bhatela bafethu useshilo ukuthi yes he can be the new coach of iChippa United una 35 years old yabo kule season entsha elandelayo uzosayina abe ucoach omusha weChippa United yabo uzo-announce nje maduzane sizombona eqeqesha iqembu iChippa United. Siyazi iChippa United idumile ngokuthi isheshe baxoshwe coach. I hope uzofika laphana asethe impression ajabulise ama-owners, maybe yabo finish ku top 5, who knows, asazi yabo, nobody knows. Maybe Chippa United next season uzoyenza kahle, maybe ngeke yenze kahle, but ke yena umjida kumele azakhele udumo because besebenza under uRolani Mkwena. Simbonile ehamba noRolani Mkwena eyalele kuWydad Casablanca. Maybe lento le izomphusha impela azenzele udumo impela lokuba uhead coach yabo kuBetway Premiership. Maybe amanye ama-team azom-approach umjida yabo. We need more black coaches like South Africa. We don't need ama-foreign coaches to come and overtake ama-team la yabo, take over ama-team la kuBetway Premiership. Bebe khona o-coach abamnyama bakanje yabo. I hope umjida uzoyenza impression ngempela ama-team amakhulu ama-approach ama-offerishe umsebenzi. Kwezinye nje indaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs are interested kwi-striker sase-Slovakia uRobert Polivka yabo. uPolivka angazi noma ngipronounce kahle yini, mengikhumbula kahle lo mdlali lo vele uNabi seke waba interested again last year yabo, waba interested again last year, but ke ama interested usewarenewile umjida uyamfuna ngempela uRobert Polivka. Mase ubheka iKaizer Chiefs right now ayinaso istriker engabukela kusona, only lo mdlali abasathana ngomthenga, and lo mdlali umele imala bangaba nenkinga kakhulu yabo. Le striker lesi sisuka le France ebidlalile i-team ya le France, angikhohle igama lakhe lo mfana, lo mjida umude nje weKaizer Chiefs uLilepo uLolipop. Yeah, uLolipop isona striker esikhona esiprolific kwiKaizer Chiefs. There are no other strikers iKaizer Chiefs engarelaya kuona right now, so kuyayenza sense ukuthi babe interested again kule striker lesase Slovakia. Kwezinye izindaba ama-Tuks have parted ways with ama-coaches amabili ukuXisane Motaung and Semi Chwa. Ngixolisa kumele upronounce ahambelele igama la kuthiwa uSeni Troughton yabo. Their contracts azophela ngoJune yabo, ngiyaza renew ama-contracts yabo, so bayahamba kuma-Tuks. Kwezinye izindaba iMarumo Gallants si-extendile i-contract kaKamohelo Mahlatsi yabo. I-contract yakhe ibizophela ngo-2027 June 2027. Base betriggerishe u-2-year deal kwi-contract adinayo umjida. Bathembela kakhulu umjida mokhumbula kahle sekwayidlalela iKaizer Chiefs before, sekwayidlalela iMarumo Gallants, sekwayidlalela udlalela yona iMarumo Gallants right now, sekwayidlalela iMoroka Swallows yabo. I-agent kaRowan Human isikhulumile nabeyindaba yasho ukuthi isi-offerishile umdlalo wayo uRowan Human kwi-Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs yabo. It's up to the clubs ukuthi bazomthatha umjida, but ke yena i-contract yakhe iyaphela at the end of the season with AmaZulu. Umjida akafuna ukurenewa with AmaZulu, ufuna ukuchallenger kuma-club amakhulu, ufuna ukudlalela ama-club amakhulu. Asazi-ke noma lama-club lawa azom-approacha umjida azama umsayina. To me, he's a good player yabo, he's a good player, but again, the management will have to decide ukuthi bayamthatha yini kwi-Orlando Pirates yabo. I would really love to see umdlalo kanje udlalela Orlando Pirates, maybe sitting at the bench, because I don't think he's a starter kwi-Orlando Pirates, but he's a good player we can rely on. Kwezinye izindaba kusasa ngo-10 June yabo, ngo-10 June ngo-Tuesday iMotsepe Foundation isikonfirmile ukuthi iDurban City izobe crowner live kuSuperSport Channel PSL 202 ngo-5 o'clock yabo, ngoba bayiwinile league. Abakazi bayiqukule kodwa indebe yabo, ama-fans abone beyiqula indebe, so bazobe beyiqula live indebe. Ungaphuthela bafethu sibone iDurban City iqukula indebe sebeyodlala kuBetway Premiership. I'm really happy to see Durban City iprogressa kanje yabo. I-City of PMB yathena ama-bags kwi-Maritzburg United and they changed their location and they went to aka Durban and they renamed the club to Durban City. Right now they are playing very well, they are going to top flight football. Engazuthi izinto zingabahambela kahle next season Durban City remain on top flight football. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iSkhukhuna United is working on a deal to sign iSuperSport United striker uBradley Grobler on a 37 years old yabo. Angazi ke lokhu bakwenza kanjani, because I've heard uEric Tinkler ekhuluma kwi-interview ukuthi ischeme sakhe abadlala nabo lapha kwi-Skhuna United uzozama ukuphungula abadlala nabo, because most abadlali sebegugile yabo. Most abadlali abadlala lapha sebegugile, uzozama ukushrima isquad, ukushrima labadlali abasebebadala, but ke maybe usayine uBradley Grobler nge-experience anayo. Siyamazi uHlophe bafethu une-experience eningi lo mdlalo lo. Arsenal vele kumele linde kancane ukujoyina lama club la amakhulu. Ziningi izinto ezenzakala.